Hello everyone. Suddenly feeling too very hungry and Maggi is the best quick solution for that. So today I'll be making Maggi with micro oven in just 3 minutes. Okay? So let's go and check it out. So what are the things I'll be requiring for that? Firstly, Maggi. Okay? With the masala inside. Maggi sauce, eggless mayonnaise, and one bowl, one spoon, and some water, and obviously the micro oven. So let's start. First, I have to put some water into the bowl. This much is enough, and the time starts now. 1 minute. I'm too hungry. I'm too hungry. I'm too hungry. Yo, honey singer. First video on YouTube. So it is my request. Please subscribe my channel, and I'll be coming with some exciting videos, some exciting new recipes, quick solution of recipes, and it will be a fun for you to watch, and it will be a great opportunity for me to share things with you. It will be my privilege. So 1 minute is over. To bring it out and put the Maggi inside. Okay, and then again 1 minute. So please do subscribe my channel. Try to post more frequently good cooking videos, travel blogs. I'm a travel freak. Next we have to add the masala, the Maggi masala, and the sauce, Maggi ketchup. It's looking good. Adding the sauce into it, and then the Maggi masala, and again for 1 more minute. We'll go. Final 1 minute. This is eggless mayonnaise. It's a complete veg recipe, so you all can try it out. If you are a veg or a non-veg, you can try it out. Maggi is such a thing. You can have it in breakfast, lunch, evening snacks, dinner, and you can repeat it. It's good in total. So it's almost ready. Just 3 seconds to go. Mayonnaise, and the nice soupy creamy mayonnaise Maggi is ready, but it's too hot and it's time to have it. Thank you for watching. Hope you will like it. Please do subscribe and share my channel. Bye. See you soon in some new videos. Bye.